Our lesson is over. Please count your seaters. So let me count here. Count. You may count them all together. All together. How many? 11. Here, 8. This team gets 1, and this team gets 2. Okay. That's my dear. I'm so glad to see. I'm so happy because today we have a new lesson about what Abay, Құнанбаев. As the last, I want to give the reflection. Please, reflection right here. No, right here, all together. Here, 3 questions. What did you learn in the lesson? What activity did you like the most? Do you like the lesson? Please write all together this group. Write your reflection. Let's see. Right? You may say short answers. I don't say one short answer. Okay? Now, the first question. What did you learn in the lesson? First thing, what did you learn in the lesson?
1 second.
What did you learn in the lesson? Usually. Yes, Abay. Abay is what? What's said, right? Here, what did you learn in the lesson?
What did you learn?
Abay. Right. About the Abay and the former future continuous tense. Next, activity. What did the activity was? Right. Think about it. You too? Think about it. What else? Only think about the last question. Do you like the lesson?
Yes.
I see this, of course. Please show me how the lesson. Okay. Good? Okay, thanks. Now, stand up. The lesson is over. Goodbye and let's be right. Stand up.
Children want to read about everything around them.
True or true? Read 3 sentences.
It's important for people to try and understand nature. True. The other means is not decent to read. False.
False. Okay, right, Marina? Do you want to True, false. Не готовы. Повторите, да, это?
Desire for knowledge is what makes humans different from animals.
False? Или true?
It has 4 basic meanings.
True basic? How? Read one sound.
It has 4 basic
False. She told you. It's right? No, false. Here,
Children want to learn about everything around them.
True. Send it.
It's important for people to try and understand nature. The
True.
audience is not to
False, right? Continue. Are you good?
This difference of knowledge is what makes humans different from animals. It has 4 basic needs for false.
It has what? 4 basic, right?
Our spent duration ranges at primary school.
False or true? True? Is she right?
No.
What's the difference? No, it says he's not in school. False. Here.
About Dr. Gresham works at primary school. False.
True.
Science.
Abay started Russian in the primary school. False. It's a he. He started Russian in the school. So here, next.
Abay's mother was important in the local team. True. He wrote the first homework when he was 12. It isn't easy to become one of these people. False.
False. Yeah, she's right. Okay, do you take it?
These are one in no, true. They want to listen to a list of wise people. False. The argument is the section one true.
Okay. Here, there it is. Okay, that's all. That's all. Okay. Yes. Okay, that's all. Thanks. Hi, student. Please look at the slide. Please sing the song. Because I'm not Harasa in English, okay? Yeah, all together take your time and sing the song. Here, take your time. Oh my eyes, oh my eyes, please never cry. Oh my eyes, say your name, open your eyes, say your name, take it stand. When you speak, you so close, everyone will listen. Okay, that's it. Stop. Okay, thanks. Now, repeat. The last pass. Please do the true and the false about the text. That is relevant. True and false. True and false. Please. False. Now you may do it together. You may it together. You may three sentences. Make it together. Now I give 2 minutes each people of 3. Now what I have to do is to put the true and the false. What team is ready? Take your time. Good morning, pupils. Good morning, teacher. Sit down, thank you. Now, my dear, how are you? Show me, how are you? Fine or bad? Bad? Why bad? Better. I'm fine. Yes. And now, what day is it today? Who says what day is it today? Today is Tuesday. What day is it today? Today is 1st of March. Today is the first day of what? Spring. Now, my dear, as a first, please, all of them stand back and come here, close together. Because now I want to divide into 2 groups. Then here are some words. It's there, new words and adjectives, verbs. Please choose one. Choose one, and please Find your translation. Find your translation. Stand in the overcutting across. Tourist street. Is tourist street. Stand here. The first, Adam? Жан. Так, вот Адам Жан. Find your translation. You come here. You see. Stand here. Next, you sure, please. Sin. Translation. Sin. Face right. Yes, please. Yes. Stand here. That you please sit here and you go. Alina. That next. Design. What's the design? Right. Yeah. Hello. Please. Get in there. I see. You. Translate. Tourist, right? But you together sit here. That knowledge is good. Sit here. Right, you sit here. That's all. Thanks, my dear. Please sit down. Sit down. Here, sit down. That yes, you may sit here. Thanks, my dear. That. Look at here, it's our rule. It's our rule. What is the rule? Not the easy, that reflection. Rule. Rule for our lesson. What must we do? It's too that be attentive to each other. Be active and attentive to each other. That Next, help each other. What help each other? Translate. Help. Communication, right? Follow the plan. Keep on time. Right? Every people have to present their ideas as a group. Ideas with going right, excellent. That I think. Here, at the beginning of the lesson, I want to evaluate the marks. It's stickers. You probably see that? Yes. 676 is excellent. So, who has 6 points? It's you put excellent. 5, 6 points, it's a 3, 4 points, it's a at the end of the lesson, all together we count our stickers. So that is it, we are selected in place. This is not necessary. Now, what is the homework? Okay, and the last lesson, we it was future continuous tense. Now I want to give some words, some sentences, and please make up sentence with these words and write on the blackboard. Their verbs, sentence, and please make up the sentence. Make up sentence with affirmative, put affirmative, bold, question, yes, and then negative. That for you, here maybe for you, here, I see, my dear, that, future continuous tense. That, what group, what team could we get to translate that I'll give 1 minute, ready? And please, you have to go to the blackboard and write here your place. That you may, on the blackboard, I want to divide the groups into groups. Where's the chalk? Chalk. Please Райна? Так, Даня, дивайзер. Make up sense? No, Raina, make up sentence. Daniel, read the sentence.
I will be going to the park. I want to be going to the park. And will I be going to the park?
Good question. Okay, sit down here. Put enough. A bit quick, scientific. Okay. Now read the sentence.
I will be meet with my grandparents. Will I be meet with my grandparents? I want to meet with
Is she right? She had a mistake? Where?
I want B.
No. With. What was meeting? Meeting, right. We have to add meeting, ing. I will be meeting. Will I be meeting? Now read the sentence.
I will be watching films. I want to be watching films. Will I be watching films?
Watching. Okay, so here, please. Amina, can you do this? Done. Yours was the quick.
I will be buying new clothes. I will be buying new clothes. I won't be buying new clothes.
B. I won't be. Why B?
Why?
Buying, right? You won't be buying because right. Excellent. Pass it out. Amina, read the
I will be
sentence.
writing the letter to my friend. Will I be writing the letter to my friend? I won't be writing the letter to my friend.
Next class, Billy, I see you. Amina, take it. Billy, close the class. Please. Word class. Thank you. Quick. Now, Martina, read. That's all.
I will be working in the garden. Will I be working
Okay, that's it. Excellent. Really, take it, Martina, take your marks. Now, Lily.
I will be going to France. Will I be going to France? I want to be going to France.
Very good, excellent. So, take it, your marks. Now, my dear, very good, excellent. You have done very well. That is here. The next slide, brainstorm. What brainstorm? That. Now, I want to ask some questions about reading, about books, about magazines, journals. Now, do you like reading? Yes. 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 I read. What kind of books do you like reading? What kind of books? It's a maybe drama, books, novels, books. Raina?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Is Harry Potter.
Fantasy.
It's a fantastic, with fantasy, different fantastic literature. Magic, right? It's a fantasy and a magic. Who else here? What's about the books? Jonas? About the books.
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Harry Potter, right? That. Here. Who else? What kind of Kazakh poets do you know? Kazakh poets. I see. What kind of Kazakh poets do you know?
I know
As Abay, Құнанбаев. Right? Who else? All Abay, Құнанбаев? Maybe foreign countries, it's English, maybe Russian, Ағылшын, Kazakh, Russian. Russian poets, in English poets. Poets always Stephen King, no? It's now Greek Kazakh poet we have as Abay Құнанбаев, who is Shakespeare, right? Shakespeare. Right. Now, please look at here the next slide. It's what we know. It's our Greek Kazakh poet and writer Abay Құнанбаев. Now, people, at the beginning of the lesson, I want to begin with poem. We know blood of my eye, fire of my mind. Drink never dry, love of my life. Now look at here. Look at the slide, please. It's our Greek Kazakh poet Abay Құнанбаев. Read the text and translate, and we will have to know what about it in English. Raina, please begin read.
Abay Құнанбаев, Kazakh writer,
Lyrics, social
philosopher. Born in Kazakhstan in Semey province. Abay Құнанбаев
educated,
economic and then sent to Medrese, where he learned Arabic and
Persian,
and became
acquainted,
with Eastern literature
and the poet. Now what about here? Kazakh
Medrese'de bilim almak.
Semey ауылда ол білімді қайда алады? Семейде алады, медресеге алады, қай және басқа шығыстың әдебиеттерінде оқыған. Көптен кейін сөйледі. Participate means участвовать. Intellectual
life studied Russian and Western
classical by Pushkin, Goethe, translated the first into Kazakh. Now, what about here? иә, ол семейде ол белсенді қатысқан, не қатысқан? Қаланың жеңістері белсенді өміріне қатысқан, да? Сосын не үйренген? Шығыс классиктерді, Пушкин, Гете, Байрон. Сосын не істеген? Оларды оқыған машин ол қазақ тіліне алдырды. Так, who wants to continue to translate, please? Daniel?
He was not married to family process and the house upbringing as for mother. Отец and grandmother Zelia were extremely charming and gifted in nature. The name Abay means circumspect and soulful.
Так, оның мысалы үйінде айналасын ағайындары отбасына не істеген ол үйінде баққа үйреткен кім екен? Абай. Анасы олардың оларға табиғатына жақсы білім тәрбие берген. Абай деген сөз нені білдірген? Ойландыратын ақылды деген мағынада тартымды деген сөзге ойландыратын. Okay, right. That's all. Так. Now, open your books, please. On page where? On page 42. Right, 42. That here's Abay word 7. It's our new scene. Abay means what is saying here? It's about English. It's a first now. Read the text and translate. What's being async Greek? Async. That's me.
The mountains in Europe many plants, and the English of this world is hard to grasp. One is for food, drink, and food. Without this, the body cannot become a home for the soul because it will not grow and it will not get stronger.
Okay, that's a stop. Continue.
Екіншісі білімге құштарлық.
Онсыз адамның денесі өспейді дейді, бірақ онсыз өспейтін күшті болмайды дейді. Good story. Continue. Who wants to hear continue? Жайнаңыз. Екінші қажеттік екен, the other.
The other means
Desire to learn.
Children are curious about every single thing they see and hear. They will touch and taste new objects, reach for the dobra or the white pipe. When they hear the unusual sounds, and listen to the noises people and animals make.
Okay.
Кішкентай балада екінші қажеттілігі ол көрген затты
үйрену құштарлық.
Ол бәрін ұстап, попробовать етіп.
Бірінші жылы көріп, кейін естейді екен. Сосын одан кейін ол әрнені ұстап көргісі келді. Touch new objects. Мысалы, домбыраның дыбысын естімеген ерекше дыбыстар естейді екен. Сөйтіп, әзір көре олар өскен сайын не сұрақ қояды екен? What is this? Бұл не? Не үшін не? Бұл не үшін істейміз деген сияқты. Now here, who wants to continue this group? Here. Please, Madina.
A person thinks their place in the world by living and trying to understand the secret of nature. This desire for knowledge is what makes humans different from animals.
Okay. Әлемде ең жаңында нені үйреніп бастайды екен? Жөні үйреніп бір табиғаттың құпияларын түсініп бастайды. Білімге деген құштарлығы адамның не айырмашылық бар екен? Адамның білімге деген құштарлығы жануарлардан айырмашылық different from animals. Here,
People lose their curiosity when they get older. Writer adults focus on the needs of the body and forget about the needs of the soul. They continue to give food to the body, but they stress the soul. They only experience the world through their eyes, not their minds. But their eyes cannot see but then the walls of the village. Only the mind can see invisible. Адамдар өскен сайын өзінің жан дүниесі туралы
олар жоғалтып бастайды, да, өзінің есіне?
Олар тек өзінің денесіне
керек нәрселерді ғана алады, да? Денесіне керек тағамдарды алады да, бірақ несін, жан дүниесін естеткен ашықтар алады. Мысалы, нәтиже ретінде әлемді біз дейтін не арқылы көре аламыз? Айыз, көз арқылы, бірақ та ойымыз арқылы емес. Бірақ көздер кей кезде нені көрмейді дейді. Бізде боласыңыз, билікшен ауылды сүріп деген сияқты көздерге мысалы кейбір нәрсе көрінбейді де, біз бәрін көрмейді. Тек қана ойымызбен ғана біз нені көре аламыз? Көрінбейтін нәрсені ғана көріп біле аламыз. Так, Женя?
It is easy to count on all these people. This is the either fact and the sound beautiful. It is the honor of mine. No, they are no better than animals who also see their world and do not understand it.
Okay, that's the stop. It's easy to become one of these people. Осындай адам болу, адамға өте қандай? Жеңіл оңай. Бұл не екен? Осының бәрі сенудің өзі оңай жолға апарады. Қазірде жануарлардан қарағанда адамдар қазір жақсы емес. Олар себебін естемейді. Do not understand. Көп нәрсені түсіне бермейді, себебейді. Американ кен?
They say you like the way you want, let me like the way I want. Or I rather follow my rules and before that follow yours and be rich. There is no love in the heart and no faith in the soul.
Translate.
So what I had to say is living it away in myself, living it away in myself.
Концепт лауда ұшаяқты. Олар әйтті, мысалға, еуі, сен өзің қалағанша өмір сүре өйді, маған өзімі қалағанша өмір сүре сатып берді. Мысалға, не деп тұр? Менің ережемде кейде бай болғанда не болған жақсы, кейде болған жақсы. Бұл не екен? Бұл адамның жүрегінде не жоқ екен? No words. Жоқ екен, да? Адамдар сәседі не жоқ екен, сондай айтып тұр. Тазила сонысы, Райна?
And this is the days of childhood seem like a dream to them now. Days when they were human beings with a piece of knowledge, they do not want to listen to advice of wiser people.
Осында адам кезінде балалық кезде біз армандаймыз қазір. Мысалға, мені адамдар неге армандайды? Desire knowledge. Білім алуға да, құштарлық бар. Олар мысалға, кейбіреулер не қылмайды екен? To want to listen. Үлкендердің ересектен айтқан ақыл естегі мән бермейді. Okay, now the next task, please. Look at the slide, please. Now, on the lesson that we know about two what? Two basic needs. In his word, in Abay's word, 7 the ones Abay narrates the story of two basic needs. It's not uniqueness to architecture. It's the first benchmark without the grandmas, no, it's all together. This is the first sentence. Food, drink, and sleep without this. That the next this itself is desire to here, the idea of the word is engraved with the things of considering desire. What desire? Curiosity. Curiosity. You see? Yeah, right? Faith. Knowledge. So, advice. Here's the type. The person finds their place in the world by learning and trying to understand the thing. So, other guys pick that, and you have that good as breaking sector. But people, when they get some whiskey saying, well, that you are the so the eyes help you further. All the mind can see the invisible. Now the people say, you lose the way, you want to let me the way, and I'd rather follow my own laws that towards the right fit to that, within the color of it. I rather with the color of Stacy, with this music. That they would say in Abay, would say, that what Abay believes Abay believes people will have strong. You are saying, which something. We believe some or something. The other than desire for knowledge. What makes humans different from animals? He hopes that people want to listen to the advice of wise people. Now, that's where it's done. Now, I try to talk about please. Do you know the Abay song? We know in the Kazakh. Please look at here. Please sing the song in English. Our lesson is over. Please count your fingers. Here, count. You make the count of all together. All together. How many? Our lesson is over. Please count your fingers. Here, count. You make the count of all together. All together. How many?
First,
Sentence.
Children want to learn about everything around them.
True or true? Read.